Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. David Powers and I'm here to give you guys a little tip on how to use the stent on very thin ridges. Sometimes the pilot drill can tend to go off to the buccal or lingual into the soft tissue, and I'm going to give you a tip to show you how you can keep that from happening. My patient here has a very thin ridge in this area and we're going to be using a stent to place this. So we're going to place the stent in first and we're going to sound the bone in the area. We're going to mark with the Thompson marking sticks the area of the thin ridge, those two areas right there. Then we're going to take our explorer and we're going to sound the bone. And you can see this tissue is very loose, but the ridge is right there. The ridge is right there. So in order to put the implant in, I'm going to use my fingers rather than the stent to place it initially. So I'll put the stent back on. I'm going to look at let me have the pilot drill guide, please. I'm going to take a look at the angulation we have here. This does have a little play in it. It can go buccal lingual. So what I want to do is I want to put this in and see the angle that it's going to put me at. I can see that angle, I got an idea. I will remove this and I will actually use my fingers to find the ridge, the center of that ridge, and the angulation that I'm going to make, because that is a very thin ridge. I will then drill between my two fingers, staying inside the buccal lingual plate. I'm going to be using a 2013, MDL 2013 to place that in. If I could have that. Now I'll put the stent back on. I found the pilot hole that I made right in the center, and I place the implant. Okay, I placed that one to place. Now what I'm going to do is show you how to make a pre-pilot hole with the diamond burr. We're going to do the same thing. We marked it with the Thompson marking stick. I'm going to do it again in that same area. I'm going to remove the stent. And then I'm going to sound the bone here. You can see there's a lot of loose tissue. And the ridge is right there, right in between my fingers. It's a very thin area. Put a number 12 burr on there. I use a very small number 12 diamond burr to make my initial pilot hole. That way we have a way to have the pilot drill have a purchase point on the very thin ridge. So I'll take this and I'll just make a small pilot hole for the pilot drill. We'll then take the stent and I'll take the pilot drill. It's going to see that angulation. Hold that tight. And my pilot drill should go right back into that hole that I made with the diamond. Now to ensure that I'm in complete bone 360 degrees around the pilot drill, I will take my periodontal probe and I'll put it in there and feel around to make sure that I have 360 degrees of bone around it, and I do. Now we're going to place the implant in that hole through the stent. Okay, hold that. We know that that's solid in bone, doesn't move, not moving back and forth buccal lingual. So we'll place it the rest of the way using the handpiece. Now that's an alternative way to actually place the mini dental implant on a very thin ridge using the guide and also your finger and thumb as the guide for when you make your pilot hole.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Fitz and we have our Black Friday, well, hold on, not Black Friday, but Black Rest of the Year. So this is the most aggressive sales deal we've ever had at Check and First. We had to beat Todd up for it, but he's gone with us, and here's the deal. It's a drill deal. So you buy 25 implants, you'll get 5 implants free, and you'll get 10 of the SPDLs at no charge. If you buy 50 implants, you'll get 10 implants free and 20 SPDLs, the 1.2 millimeter drill, at no charge. If you buy 75 mini implants, we will give you 15 free implants, which is about $16,000 worth of implants and crowns at your dental office, at no charge, and we'll give you 30 drills for free at no charge. 30 SPDL, the 1.2 millimeter. And for the grand special, if you buy 100 mini dental implants, we're going to give you 20 free implants, and we're also going to give you 40 free SPDL drills. So we feel this is a very, very aggressive time to stock up on your drills and take advantage of the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Black Rest of the Year special for 2020. We got to finish 2020 off strong. So take advantage of those deals. And it doesn't stop there. All of Check and First products, if you buy 3, for example, I'm talking healing caps, mono healing, MDL healing caps, mono healing caps, Check and First resin cement, Check and First reline, Osteogen, anything that we sell with the Check and First name, if you buy 3, we give you the 4th free. So now would be a great time to stock up on that. And now you can see that I'm holding this box of N95 masks. We offer them in ear loops and headbands. Not only is it a great idea for you and your staff in the dental office to be wearing these, you should wear them everywhere you go, especially now with the peak of the coronavirus. So not a bad idea. You can get a box of 25, and they all come individually wrapped, and they're sterile. But they're made right here in Buffalo, New York. Not China, but Buffalo, New York, which happens to be in the United States of America. So support America, support Check and First, support Buffalo, buy N95 masks from Check and First today. And I guarantee you're going to love them because you can breathe through them, and they'll do all the protection that you need. So think about our N95 masks. And the $179 tax deduction, please don't forget about that. Up to $1 million this year, any equipment has to be installed in the office before the end of December. December 31st has to be in the office. I'm referring to the Genere cone beam. With the Genere cone beam, keep in mind, I know we've been sending this home the last few weeks, but keep in mind, you buy the Genere, 3 months of CT guided stents at no charge, the PX4 portable x-ray machine, a $6,000 portable x-ray machine at no charge, and I can get you financing at 3.99%. So take advantage of that. We're selling, as far as PPP goes, we have hand sanitizer, we have our EOS machine that is $200 off. It's $17.95 for the EOS machine. The HealthMate Plus that helps clear the air in the office, we have that. It's made right here in Buffalo, New York, right down in downtown Buffalo, 10 minutes from where I'm standing today. But take advantage of the surgical motor, the cube, the IntraSpin. We just had an awesome advanced mini dental implant webinar last week, and Dr. LaSorsa talked about the IntraSpin. We had great advanced cases that Dr. Shakin and Dr. Powers and Dr. Gillespie talked about, as well as Andrea Smith. Thank you all for doing such a phenomenal job, but keep in mind, now's the time to take advantage of the 179. Buy equipment, save money, and start off 2021 raring to go. And don't forget, take a look at our Check and First website. We have all our upcoming courses for 2021, and we can't wait to see you at an advanced course or a beginner's course sometime next year. And if you're out in Hawaii, don't forget, December 4th and 5th, we're going to have a course out there, And if you need any more information, come to our website, shackandfirst.com, and take advantage of the Black Friday and Cyber Monday and the rest of the year. Black Friday will go from the day after Thanksgiving to December 31st. Take advantage of that drill deal. Any questions? Call our friendly sales reps at Shack and First. 1-888-4-SHACK-IN, or you can visit us on our website at shackandfirst.com.